today, to celebrate Christmas, we're gonna continue with our Christmas theme. We're gonna draw Grinch, okay? It's a little bit difficult, a little bit, well, it's like drawing Santa, but not as happy. Alright, are you ready? Okay, you're gonna make room for the hat, okay? So we're gonna draw, okay, follow along, we're gonna draw his hat first, okay? So here's his hat. It's like a cloud, okay? It's made out of wavy bits. Can you do this?
Sure. Not sure.
Okay, and then do you remember how to draw hats? When you go from one side, watch. We're gonna go all the way to the top, and we're gonna come back down, okay?
Okay.
So now we're gonna draw this part of the hat. Okay, so it's gonna come down like this. Okay? Connect. Very good. And we're gonna draw the fuzzy ball. Okay. Okay. And now we're gonna connect the hat here. On the right, you see this part right here on the bottom? Small line. Connect. Now we're gonna draw his face, okay? So his face, this is how you're gonna do it. Look carefully, okay? I'm gonna use a pencil to show you. So you're gonna draw a heart shape, okay? So from here in the middle, we're gonna draw a heart. Actually, no, sorry, not too high. It's too high. Okay. Hey, pay attention. Down here. Come down a little bit more. Come down more. Okay, very good. From there, you're gonna draw a heart. Okay. I'm gonna draw a heart like this. Okay, it needs to be bigger. It needs to be bigger than the hat, okay? Okay, now we're gonna erase the top part. Draw over here. Go straight up, connect the hat. Draw in here. So with the heart shape, you're gonna draw his face. So we're gonna draw his face. You stop drawing, Charlie. You don't do anything, you just watch.
I'm doing that.
Okay, we're gonna draw his nose. Noses are round. Okay, he has cheeks here next to his eyes. So you're gonna do this. It follows a line from his cheeks. So you're gonna draw the line. Okay, we're gonna draw his eyebrow. Not. Okay, his eyes are here. You're gonna draw the eyeball. It's a circle, but we don't see the top or the bottom. And then we're gonna draw the black part in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna draw his smile, which follows the heart. Look at my drawing, Sean. Then we'll draw his neck. It's a very skinny neck. Pay attention. And then we're going to draw his collar. It's another cloud looking thing that looks just like his hat. Okay? Okay, and then we're going to have a wavy line here. And the shoulder comes off on the side. Look. Look. Shoulder. Shoulder. Okay? And we're going to add one more thing here. He's frowning. So there's a V shape in the middle. Okay?
And it's also a curve up to connect.
Yeah, but
Curve
do you
from the
know how to
eyes.
do that?
Yep.
Do it. Let's see what yours look like. Okay. We're gonna do the side of his face. He has some hair here. They look like leaves. All right, good job. Next, we're gonna draw his dog. Now we're gonna draw his dog, Max. I'm gonna start with the eye first. Over here, near the middle on the left. Do an oval. I'm gonna draw his nose. Follow me, look first. Nose. Look, see how mine is straight to the left? Straight to the left. Very good. Then we're going to do a little circle for the nose. Then we're going to draw his mouth. Look from the bottom of the circle. Come down. Then we're going to come in a little bit. So down first from the circle. To the right. Okay. We're going to draw the bottom of his mouth. Okay, it's a curve. Stop under the eye, okay? Now we're gonna draw his ear. His ear is right behind his eye, okay? So look at my drawing, okay, Charlotte? Look. Straight line down. Okay? It's like a banana. You're drawing a banana, okay? We're drawing a banana. Look. Banana. Draw a banana. Behind his eye. There we go. Connect. Thank you! Okay, here's the top of his head. And on top of his head, we're gonna draw his antler that Grinch put on top of his head, okay? So we're gonna draw a line like this. Look at my drawing and look at your drawing. Okay, it's a straight line here, straight up, look. And then we have this part right here, antler, to the right. We're gonna go up a little bit, go back in. Go back up to the left in the middle, and then you're gonna have a curved line here, and then we're gonna have another banana shape, okay? And that's gonna come back down, come down to here, follow along the other line, okay? Follow, okay? Then you're gonna have that part come out again, and then come back down, and then go toward the, yeah. Okay, very good, keep going, follow this line, okay? You're gonna follow what you already drew. Okay, so what you're doing is this. And here you're gonna have a circle, okay? Very good. Okay.
That's more like oval.
So now we're gonna draw his neck. Oh, actually the back of his head here. Back of his head. Okay, then you're gonna have a neck. A little bit longer. Okay, from here, we're gonna draw his chest. So come down. Okay, we're gonna start here. We're gonna draw his leg, okay? So straight down. He has really big feet, okay? Got big feet. Big feet. Okay? Do that, go to the left. Okay, come back. Very good. Here's the part, it looks like a drumstick. I'm gonna go up first, and then I'm gonna do a curve. It's like a drumstick, okay? Curve. Okay, very good. Then we're gonna draw his tummy. It's a little bit lower here. We're gonna do a curve line. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop, stop. And here is his hind leg, his back leg, okay? So it's gonna be up here, like a drumstick. And then, okay, and then we're gonna draw his foot. Okay, and this part's gonna come up. It's kind of curvy to the right. We're gonna have a little shoulder here. This is a curve. This is the angle, it's too sharp, okay? It's not like this, it's like this. Okay, very good. From here, we're gonna go back to the back of his body, okay? And this is gonna be a curve that connects to his butt.
Okay.
Now we're gonna draw his tail. Okay, it's pointing down. Then his eyeball is at the eyeball. He's looking up at the antler on his head. So his eyeball's on top. A little bit bigger.
Why he's looking up?
Because he doesn't like it. There's a thing, an antler tied on his head. Okay, look, look, look. So we're gonna do the knot. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna color him, okay? This is how you draw Grinch and his dog Max.